Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hisham and you are learning vocabulary with Total Arabic. The Arabic words are color-coded. Blue for masculine, purple for feminine, black for anything that applies to both masculine and feminine, green for phrases, and orange for the plural. Now I will say the Arabic word and you will need to pause the video and try to write it down. When you finish, play the video and compare your writing with the one on the screen. If you are new to writing Arabic, Totally Arabic is offering a complete course for reading and writing Arabic. The link is in the description below. How do we write in Arabic? لذيذة. لذيذة is on the screen. 5 letters. لذيذة. رائع. رائع is on the screen. 4 letters. رائع. كوب. كوب is on the screen. 3 letters. كوب. مروحة. مروحة is on the screen. 5 letters. مروحة. مستشفى. مستشفى is on the screen. It has 6 letters. مستشفى. مستوصف. مستوصف is on the screen. It has 6 letters. مستوصف. وزير. وزير is on the screen. 4 letters. وزير. ميكانيكي. ميكانيكي is on the screen. It has 8 letters. ميكانيكي. ملكة. ملكة is on the screen. It has 4 letters. ملكة. أمير. أمير is on the screen. It has 4 letters. أمير. المدرسة الثانوية. المدرسة الثانوية is on the screen. It means the secondary school and it is 2 separate words. المدرسة, which is this one. الثانوية, which means secondary. So المدرسة الثانوية. Thank you so much for watching and being part of the Totally Arabic community. If you have any questions about what I have covered in this video, feel free to ask. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel as Totally Arabic has more to offer in helping you learn, grasp, and speak Arabic. See you in the next video. Keep practicing.